While researching a topic, a student has taken the following note. Let's start with the line 1. Bioluminescence is the emission of light by a living organism. That's a definition. So it looks like our topic is about bioluminescence, so I'll box that. And number 2, this light is produced by chemical reactions in organism cells, and jellyfish emit flashes of blue light. So we have an example of jellyfish of emitting a blue light. And the first line, this light is produced by chemical reactions. So let's talk about how produced. Sort of like a function. And line number 3, this behavior serves to startle predator. Oh, okay, so this is a purpose by the jellyfish. So based on this context, we can see that jellyfish is a prey, right? Because it wants to startle, surprise predators, those that eat. Black dragonfish emit a steady red light. Okay, now the moment I just see that, this got a red, steady red light, but this one has flashes of blue light. So it's two different kinds of mechanism of the bioluminescence. And also we got a second example. So that I'm gonna say that's example 1. This is example 2. Black dragonfish is example 2. So black dragonfish emits a steady red light. So you can already see that these two examples have a contrast of their bioluminescence. Line 4 is talking about the behavior, just like in line 3, helps them locate prey. So we can see this is more like a predator because it wants to locate prey, like a food source in deep water. Okay, so that's another purpose for the black dragonfish. Okay, so this would be like a predator, at least in this context. So once you have this in your mind, let's go to answer the question. The students want to emphasize the difference between, I want to highlight that, the difference between behavior of jellyfish and black dragonfish. I already made it. They have two different modes of using the bioluminescence. So we have to answer this highlighted part. Which choice most effectively choose the relevant information? Okay, let's start with the choice A. Both jellyfish and black dragonfish are organisms that emit light. That's true, but we're not telling the difference. The contrast is our goal here, which produced by chemical reactions in these organisms' cell. Okay, that didn't really answer the question about the difference here. So no mention of specific differences. So we eliminate choice A. And choice B, black dragonfish emit a steady red light. That's true, which helped them locate prey in deep water. It was going good direction, but hey, what about jellyfish? Okay, we need to find a difference, not just mention about the black dragonfish. So it's missing the key features of jellyfish. How it emits the bioluminescence. Choice C, bioluminescence, the emission of light by a living organism, results in chemical reaction. Okay, that's simply the line 1 and 2 definition and what it does. And that's not answering the difference between both specific examples. So C is out. That leaves us with choice D. Jellyfish emit light to startle predator, whereas black dragonfish do so to locate prey. So we see the highlight of their actions, but also we see the two different purposes. Okay, I mentioned earlier the jellyfish as a prey will use this bioluminescence to startle the predator, whereas this behavior of dragonfish will locate the prey in deep waters. Okay, so these are contrasts. So are these two purposes. Another contrast. Okay, and also the keyword you see is a whereas. Anytime they talk about difference and you see the whereas, that's very likely the answer. Okay, the correct answer should be the